What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another one here at the J&A Life. So today we're going to be changing out this gasket on our 2006 Honda Civic SI. It's got a Yonaka catback exhaust. What is it, 2.5? Yeah, 2.5 inch. Show y'all the, this might be the part number or whatever. At least through Blox Racing it is. But yeah, guys, just gonna get that changed out. So get my tools and car jacked up and everything ready. I'll be back with y'all. All right, boys. So you see, I got my 14-inch socket on there. That's the nut side. Pause. But yeah, I'm just gonna hold this side of the bolt head with my 14-inch wrench. I might have to hold it on the open side, like so. Like so. And then I'll put a ratchet on this side. See if I can do both things at once. Hold the phone in.
You have to use 2 wrenches.
Yeah, I might have to. It might be better to use 2 wrenches. Yeah, let me get another wrench on this thing, boys. Probably gonna be better. That's what I said. This thing, she's always right. Anyway. Here, baby, why don't you try to hold this phone best as you can. So, see what I'm doing here for at least this first one. Yeah, it's gonna be better. The baby was right, y'all. I think. Damn. I tighten that?
Yeah, you did that.
What the hell? I got that one moved first. So I'm going in the right direction. Yeah. I was just OD on that thing, wasn't I? Alright, so now I need to hold it.
You want some little blaster, baby?
Yeah. That'd be a good idea.
Grabbing some blaster, guys. I'll be back. Right here, babe.
Alright, boys. I'm just gonna hit these things with some blaster like the wifey suggested. Should have did that to begin with. Stuff really does work. Especially if you come out here and do it before you dig into the job. So, I have to get that up. Alright, so I got 2 of them loose. One nut. Two. All right, we got one more to break loose.
Okay.
All right, boys, I got all the nuts and bolts out of there. So here's our gasket. As you can see, ain't much. You flip it over, you can probably see where it was leaking at. one side, you can see maybe both. I'm gonna get these bolts cleaned down with PB Blaster and wire brush them before I put them back in. Alright guys, as you can see, with the old and with the new, here's a little comparison for you. The new looks a lot thicker compared to the old one. So.
Alright, he cleaned his bolts, put some PB Blaster on them. Here's your gasket, babe.
Yeah, we will do. What the heck? You see a nut? Thank you. Last little tight. Yep, that was good. That was good.
All done.
Check it out, guys. Nice clean look. There it is. Blox Racing exhaust gasket. Should sound a lot better too. It is. Alright boys, so there you have it. I know it's a short and sweet little video, but hey, just wanted to share a little content with you guys, and it's definitely somewhat of an upgrade, so just wanted to share that with you guys. And hey, maybe somebody else's gasket's leaking, you know, I don't know, but I definitely could hear it when I would come to stops, and at certain times I could hear it when I was standing near the car. I got an ear for that stuff, and when something ain't right, it just ain't right. So, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Really wasn't much to it, but if you could smash that like button, I'd appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed and you're new to the channel, welcome. Go on and hit that subscribe button as well, and smash that like button. We got many more videos to come. I've been working hard during the week driving as a truck driver. I've been working hard on the weekends trying to get this body work done, or fixing odds and ends on my vehicles at home. So, and I've been trying to, you know, get you guys as much content as I can. So definitely stay tuned. We got many more to come. And as I always say, boys, I love you all. God bless you all. Till the next one, guys. We out.